Want to see what $400,000 gets you on Tucson's upper southeast side, which also happens to be in a top-rated school district and offers some great community amenities? Well, stick around because today we're going to take you inside this beautiful house and then talk about everything that this community has to offer.
Let's get to it.
If you're new to this channel and you want to learn everything from A to Z about living in Tucson, AZ, then click subscribe and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market in Tucson, Arizona. Hi, I'm Jennifer Smith and this is my husband,
Dustin Smith.
And we've helped hundreds of people just like you move to
and from
Tucson, Arizona. So whether you're moving in 12 days, 12 weeks, 12 months, we got you covered. Give us a call, shoot us a text or an email, and let us help you make that smooth move to Tucson, Arizona. All right, so before we take you into this beautiful home, just wanted to talk about a couple of the features and the community real quick. You know, we mentioned that it is in a top-rated school district. Even though we're in the upper southeast side of Tucson right here, you know, it's convenient to I-10, which is the main freeway we have in town that will get you from one side of Tucson to the other. We're within 15 minutes of Amazon, Raytheon, Davis-Monthan, really anything that you could need. And we're in the Vail School District. So that's important for a lot of people. If it's one of the things that you've been looking for, you have the opportunity to be in Vail without being in the center of all the traffic and everything else that comes with Vail right now. Check out our, Vail pros and cons video. If you've been looking into that, this could be a great alternative for you if you're looking for that Vail School District without being out there.
Yeah, absolutely. Like Jennifer said, quick access to everything. So I-10 and then Kolb Road to get you right into town, which Kolb just happens to intersect with a bunch of the type of like retailers and restaurants that you would want to go to, living in Tucson.
Absolutely.
So as far as the community itself goes, they have 2 pools, a splash pad. They have several like pocket parks throughout the community. So there's nice grassed areas. The loop runs right along the community.
Yes.
So that connects to over 130 miles of
paved cycling trails. Like, it is so cool. Like, how, if you look at the map, pull up, information about the loop, you really just see that it goes through a lot of different places all through Tucson.
And they're going to keep expanding it.
Yeah.
I don't think there's anything else like it in the United States as far as just, being dedicated to bicycles. And you are welcome to go walk on that too. So people can go walk and jog and take their dogs out there and just, try to mind that, cyclists are going to be, coming by. So, and they're quiet, right? So coming up behind you.
Exactly. And so this is in the La Estancia community. We do have a full video on that as well if you want to check that out and get into a little more details. We do drive around and show you some footage of the neighborhood, other parts of the neighborhood besides just this house, which you'll see in this video. Really, this community offers so much.
Yeah, La Estancia is really trying to provide value for what they're asking for homeowner association dues.
Absolutely. Now, as far as the house goes, the house is just over 2,027 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bathroom, which is great. As you come in off to the left, there's a bedroom and full bathroom ensuite and a large closet. So it's just great if you need like a mother-in-law suite or, great guest bedroom. So they have kind of that quick, easy access in and out of the house without disturbing everybody else quite as much. In addition to that, there's also a flex room between 2 of the other bedrooms that makes like a great den or office area, workout room. So just a lot of different options on how you can configure things in this house, which is great.
Since the home is almost new, it's a modern design too. So we show a lot of people some homes in this price range that are outdated. So if you're looking for something a little more modern, this is basically a new build home still.
I'm glad you mentioned that. So this house was just built at the end of 2021. So yeah, not even 3 years old yet. I know that there's a lot of new construction going on in this community right now, but this house is priced right at $400,000 and it really is competing with those new builds. And where they're building right now in this community is actually a lot closer to I-10. So there's some pros and cons with that if you're looking for a new build in here. This is further from I-10 and offers you everything that you could want with the new build, plus the backyard's already done. So
yeah.
Absolutely. Well, let's go ahead and check out this house.
Let's go.
All right, so thank you for sticking around with us while we toured this beautiful home in the La Estancia community. If you have any questions about this community or comments, drop them down below. We would love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, make sure that you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so we can make sure to keep you updated on the current market here in Tucson, Arizona. And if you or anyone you know is thinking about moving to or from Tucson, Arizona, make sure you reach out to us, give us a call, shoot us a text or an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Tucson, Arizona.
Our contact information is in the description below. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.